Right, 4x minus 5 divided by 3 minus 2x in the form of a plus b over 3 minus 2x. Let's do that first. Okay, so first rewrite the expression as, because we've got 3 minus 2x in the denominator, we want to write it as minus 2x plus 3. And then doing the polynomial division, we should do minus 2x plus 3 into 4x minus 5. So 4x divided by minus 2 gives me minus 2, and then minus 2 times minus 2x gives me plus 4x, and then minus 2 times 6 gives me minus 6. Doing the subtraction, we got minus 5 minus minus 6, which is plus 1. This is the remainder. So my expression will become minus 2 plus the remainder over the divisor. Now this is quite useful for what we're going on to do in the second part, but this could be written as 1 over 3 minus 2x, back in its original format, minus 2. Now, hence, write down the sequence of transformation of how the graph of y is equal to 4x minus 5 over 3 minus 2x can be sketched from the graph of y is equal to 1 over x. So we're going to use this one here to help us do it. Now, in order to do this, I'm going to do it on a GeoGebra app. The GeoGebra app will be in the link to it will be in the notes of the video. So here we have, we're going to sketch this graph from y is equal to 1 over x, and notice that it can be written like this. If we click first of all, here we now see the graph of y is equal to 1 over x. And so the first transformation that we're going to do, so if we got y is equal to f of x, then the transformation will be y is equal to f of 3 minus 2x, or even better to think of it as f of minus 2x plus 3 minus 2. Now the question is, what do you do first here in this bracket? Do you translate the first 3 units, or do you do the stretch? And the answer is, if you think on how you would solve minus 2x plus 3, is to do that first. So first we take 3. So this graph is going to be translated 3 units to the right to get this graph here. Okay, and then we're going to do another transformation to that graph. So I'm just going to remove the next thing we're going to do, is we're going to then deal with the minus sign. So the minus sign means that I will reflect the red graph into the blue graph here. Okay, so if we remove transformation 1, okay, perhaps move transformation 2, then the next thing we're going to do to that is put that 2 in front of that x. Now that it has the effect of stretching it parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so what you can see is that's the blue graph. Everything becomes halfway. Okay, and then finally we will take the 2. So taking the 2, let's get rid of the blue one, and taking the 2 will move the orange graph down to here 2 units. Everything being moved down 2 units. Okay, so it's a translation 0, 2. Translation 0, 2. So if we do that, so the original graph was 1 over x, and it becomes that doing all those transformations. So transformation 1, a translation minus 3, 0, followed by transformation 2, which is a reflection in the y-axis that deals with the minus sign. Putting the 2 in front of the x is a stretch factor 1/2, parallel to the x-axis. That's probably the hardest one of these. And then finally, the minus 2 is a translation 0 minus 2. Okay, like I said, the GeoGebra app will be in the notes of the video. I hope you found this useful, and I thank you very much for watching.